In this video, we'll go from this, to this using, well, hand tools. Okay, so I've got the back off here already, and it's very simple to get the back off. There are 4 Phillips screws that have to come off. Nothing major, they come right out. And yeah, I've got a mess that will need to be cleaned up later. There's the 4 screws that I took off. And I've already fixed it, but I'm going to show you what it took to fix it. So starting here, after you get the back off, do not take this hose off first. Take this one off first, because if it's clogged, then this will not dump a lot of water on you. So to take the clamps off, there are special clamp tools that can be used, but honestly my hand worked just fine to do this with. And then the other clamp, same thing, just squeeze this clamp. Now if you still have a clog in there and you're not drained all your water out, of course as soon as you pull this off, guess what's going to happen? You're going to get wet. So be prepared, have a bucket ready, towels and all that kind of stuff. All right, so once I got it out, I stuck the big end into the bucket off screen here, and you'll need to be quick with this to minimize the spillage of water. So after getting the hoses off, I checked inside here first, and there was nothing in there. And I checked down here, inside of here, and of course, what did I find? Yes, the missing sock. I now know where socks go to. So anyway, I just pulled that out and then reassembled everything, and it worked perfectly. All right, there we go. Now I got that one on. All right, I need to put the covers back on it. So that's how it goes together, just like so. Okay. So to make it a little easier on myself, kind of just assembled it further up the hose and slid it down. And then now I got to tuck that in, put that in, like so, and then screw it in. Okay, so put the cover back on. Make sure these tabs are tucked inside. I didn't show this previously, but here's the hose clamp. Just takes this one screw to hold the clamp on. Now that's all done, I'll run my dehumidifier to make sure there's no water around here. After that's done, then I'll fire it up and it'll work because, you know, I'll pull the sock out of it. Of course, don't forget to turn the water back on, connect hoses if you disconnected them, and plug it back in. Thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please select like down there and subscribe to my channel. If you didn't like it, well, subscribe to the channel, maybe you like the next one. Thank you for watching.